In front of me is ALCATEL 1B 2022, and today I would like to show you how you can edit password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Firstly, open Settings and scroll all the way down to access Google section. Then tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Passwords. Now you can finally click on one of your passwords that you wish to edit and enter your current login method. After that, hit Edit button and change wherever you want to. Lastly, hit Save at the top right corner. As you can see, after that, my username and password has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!